Hi KG1 in Ibn Ta'Illah Language School. How are you today? I miss you all. Today is 30th of April. We are going to talk about a new letter today. Letter X. 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 Capital X. Small x. Capital X. Small x. Now, what is the sound of letter X? X. 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 Okay. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X is for X large. X large. X is for fox. Fox. Okay, the last letter is X. X is for box. Box. The last letter is X. X. Okay. X is for xylophone. 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 Okay. Now how to write letter X. Start from skyline like this. Okay. Again. Capital X. Small x between two lines like this. Capital X, small x. Okay. Let's try again. Capital X, small x. Capital X, small x. Okay, goodbye.